Welcome to the inner sanctum of luxury, where we transform raw wealth into a masterpiece. Today, 100 bars of solid gold meet their destiny. In this sterile environment, every glint of light represents a fortune. We are about to witness a process rarely seen by the public eye. Each bar is certified pure, a dense block of value waiting to be liquefied. The texture and weight are symbols of absolute high-end perfection. Precision is everything here. Before we begin the melting process, every single gram must be accounted for to ensure the highest quality finish possible. Hidden beneath this velvet veil is a $50,000 canvas, a mechanical marvel waiting to be infused with the essence of pure, molten gold. 100 bars, one singular masterpiece. $500,000 on the line. The journey from solid metal to liquid art begins right now. The transformation starts in the heat. We place the bars into a specialized ceramic crucible designed to withstand the extreme temperatures of our furnace. Our high-frequency induction furnace begins to roar. The energy required to break down the atomic structure of gold is immense and highly controlled. An oxygas torch provides additional direct heat, ensuring an even melt. You can see the edges of the solid bars beginning to lose shape. At 1064 degrees Celsius, the solid gold surrenders. It transitions from a rigid block into a flowing, glowing state of matter. These first drops are like liquid fire. The purity of the metal ensures a clean, vibrant flow that looks almost like glowing metallic honey. The heat is suffocating, but the visual is mesmerizing. 100 bars have now become a single pool of pure, liquid wealth, ready for application. Now we pour. The liquid gold flows with incredible density, a continuous stream of light that illuminates the entire workshop in a warm glow. This is a liquid asset in its most literal form. The sheer volume of gold moving through the air is both terrifying and beautiful to behold. As the metal impacts the container, microsparks erupt in slow motion. Each tiny spark is a fragment of the fortune we are meticulously processing today. The surface tension of the liquid metal creates satisfying ripples. It is completely free of impurities, glowing with 100% purity and power. Our technicians monitor every second of the pour. A single mistake at this temperature could destroy the project and waste weeks of careful preparation. The gold is now ready. From solid bars to a swirling liquid abyss, the material has been prepared for its final transformation onto the masterpiece. Before the gold can be applied, the canvas must be perfect. We use high-pressure cleaning to remove every microscopic particle from this intricate engine component. The surface must be chemically pure. Any fingerprint or speck of dust would prevent the gold from bonding at a molecular level to the metal. We use robotic sensors to scan the entire surface. We are looking for perfection on a micron scale to ensure the gold plates evenly everywhere. Even the smallest pocket of moisture could cause a defect. Our master craftsmen spend hours ensuring the item is bone dry and perfectly prepped. The precision of the base metal is what gives the final piece its soul. This $500,000 canvas is now ready for its golden skin. The magic happens here in the electroplating tank. The blue electrolyte solution is the medium that will transport our gold onto the target object. As the part descends, the electrical current is activated. Thousands of gold ions begin to migrate through the liquid, searching for a place to bond. In this time lapse, you can see the molecular bonding in action. The silver surface is slowly being consumed by a layer of pure gold. The infusion is relentless. The thickness of the gold is controlled by the duration and intensity of the electrical pulse sent through the solution. Emerging from the depths, the transformation is complete. The liquid gold has bonded forever, creating a flawless, radiant skin over every single intricate detail. A final rinse removes the chemicals, leaving only the pure heavy gold. The item already looks spectacular. But the real shine is yet to come. Now we enter the finishing stage. Polishing is an art form that requires a steady hand and decades of experience to master the metal. The abrasive compound gently levels the gold at a microscopic level. Watch as the dull yellow surface begins to wake up and reflect light. Patience is key. Every square millimeter of this masterpiece must be treated with the same level of care to ensure a perfectly uniform finish. The reflection begins to sharpen. What was once raw gold bars is now becoming a mirror that reflects the world in a rich, warm hue. For the final touch, we go back to basics. Hand buffing allows the artisan to feel the metal and ensure there are no imperfections left. Look at the clarity of that reflection. This is the hallmark of a true mirror finish, where the gold appears almost like a liquid again. The entire workshop is mirrored in the surface. The depth and richness of real gold are incomparable to any paint or synthetic coating in existence. Even the smallest details matter. We inspect every bolt hole and every edge to ensure the gold has reached every part of the design. We verify our work with technology. A laser scan confirms the surface is perfectly flat and the gold thickness is consistent across the entire object. The data doesn't lie. We have achieved a molecularly perfect bond and a finish that meets the highest standards of the luxury industry. Every micron counts when you are working with $500,000 worth of material and craftsmanship. Accuracy is our ultimate obsession here today. Now for the final touches. We begin the assembly of the secondary elements, including this custom-made logo that will sit at the heart of the piece. The fit is perfect. The contrast between the brilliant gold and the sparkling gems adds another layer of insane luxury to the finished product. Every screw is also plated in gold. Nothing is left to chance and no detail is too small to escape our pursuit of absolute perfection. One last check under magnification. At this level of luxury, there is no room for close enough. Everything must be exactly where it belongs. The final wipe. The squeak of a clean surface is the sound of success. The masterpiece is now fully assembled and ready for its reveal. Weeks of work and 100 gold bars have led to this moment. The transformation from raw material to an icon of wealth is complete. Every internal component shines with the same intensity as the exterior. This is true craftsmanship, where the parts you don't see are just as perfect. The way the light dances off these edges is breathtaking. This piece doesn't just sit in a room. It commands the entire space with its presence. It deserves a throne. We place it into its custom display case, where it will be protected and showcased for generations to come. The project is at its end. But before we finish, let's take one final, glorious look at the result of our hard labor and vision. From 100 bars of gold to one singular icon of engineering and art. This is the $500,000 masterpiece in its final, radiant glory. The depth of color and the perfection of the surface are a testament to the skill of our artisans and the purity of the gold. Project completed. From raw gold to a legendary treasure. Thank you for joining us inside the Custom Factory. We will see you next time.